Hi. Today, we'll learn how to use the extension of services mask to create a new account currency combination for a merchant. First, let's explain the extension of services job. After the onboarding process is over, a merchant can add services and accounts by using an extension of services mask. For example, a merchant who has all his business in Europe is now opening a new branch in the US and would like to be able to do financial transactions in US dollars. In such a case, new accounts with the currency in US dollars need to be added to the merchant. 3 masks to add the new account, currency type. 1. Application for extension of services mask. 2. Application account type record mask. 3. Application extension of services approval. Stay with us to learn how to create a new account, currency combination for a merchant step by step. After logging to BankWorks, open the main menu. Click on Acquirer System menu. Click on Application Input menu. Click on Application for Extension of Services mask. The mask will open. Click on the Add button to add a new merchant. In the Client Number field, add the client number. Note that this is a mandatory field. Once you add the client number, click Tab and all the fields will be filled out automatically. In the Notes field, write a note about what you are going to do. Click the Update button. An info box appears, indicating that the current record has been successfully updated. Click the Chain button below. The Chained Input Masks box appears with 3 options. For this training, select the second option, Application Account Type Record, Acquiring. The mask opens. A warning message box appears, saying that the database is empty. Click OK. The Application Account Type Record Acquiring mask appears. Click that Add button below. Most of the fields will be filled out automatically and we have to fill out certain fields. In the Account Type Details section, go to the Account Type ID field and select Merchant Payment. In the Currency field, select USD. Make sure that the Billing Level field is selected Yes. In the Host Account Details section, fill in the International Bank Account Number field the account number. In the Country field, select the merchant's location. For our example, we selected Malta. Click the Update button below. A warning message appears. Click Yes to this message. An info message box appears saying that the current record was updated successfully. Click OK. Click on Done. Click Done to complete the application and go to the approval step. To approve the previous application, go to the Application Input menu, search for the Application Extension of Services, Approval mask and click. On this mask, click on the Find button, enter the application number and click Tab. Or, click the last record to find the last entered application. The application will show up. Click the Amend button to change the status field from Entered to Approved. Then click the Update button. An information box appears saying that the current record was updated successfully. Click OK. Click on Done. The next step is processing the application in SOA console. To activate the account, we have to process the application in the SOA console. After logging to the SOA console, click the Application Processing to expand the menu. Click on the Standard Application Processing. On the right screen in the Process Panel section, a list of processes will appear. Select the record, then right-click the mouse and click Run. The Process Information screen appears. Click View Process Monitor to view the details. Note that while the process is running, the process status appears with a green color on the screen. Once the process is completed, it appears with the color blue. If the color is red, the process has errors. The refresh button is to keep the process run. The process is now completed. Next, we are going to see the effects of the changes performed in BankWorks. Going back to BankWorks. The addition of the new account will affect 3 different masks: Merchant Client Account, Cycle Book Balance, Client Settlement Account. Expand the Acquirer System menu. Then expand the Client Account System menu acquiring and select Merchant Client Account Chain. The Merchant Client Account mask opens. In the client number field, enter the client number and click on Find. This is the account created during the application for extension of services. In the Business Rules section, you can see that the merchant has a merchant payment as an account type and the US dollars as an account currency. In the Account Details section, you can see the new account number and the settlement number. The settlement number links to the client settlement details that we will see later in this video. Click on the Chain button. The Chained Input Masks box appears. Select Cycle Book Balance. This is the book balance for the merchant payment account in US dollars with the same number that you have created. It contains details of the balance of the account, the debit balance, the credit balance, the current balance. Finally, look at the client settlement information that was also created by the extension of services. Expand the Acquirer System menu, then expand the Client Information System menu, and select the Client Settlement Information mask. The Client Settlement Information mask opens. Click on Find. Enter the client number. Click on Find. The client settlement information appears automatically in the fields. The settlement number 01 is for the euro currency. Change the settlement number to 02 for US dollar currency. As you can see, the settlement number is 02. The account currency is US dollars. And this is the international bank account number. The receiver country is Malta. Today we have learned how to use the application for extension of services to create a new account, how to fill in the details of the application account type record, how to use the application extension of services approval to approve the application extension, how to use SOA to process the application extension, how to ensure that the new data was created correctly.